So in this video you're going to learn about the immediate future tense. The immediate future tense describes something that you are going to do in the future, and in English is examples such as I am going to play, we are going to read, he is going to listen. So it's all about what you are going to do in the future. So how do we make it in Spanish? To make the immediate future tense in Spanish, you need three parts. The first part is the verb ir, conjugated correctly. Then you need to write the word a, and then you need to write an infinitive, which is a verb that ends in ar, ia, or aya. So let's start off with the verb ir, to go. The verb is conjugated, as you can see on the screen, voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. You can see the pattern in there of some regular verb endings in Spanish, typically used on AR verbs with the as, a, amos, ais and an. But this verb ir, to go, is technically an irregular verb because clearly it is not an AR verb. You just need to know it off by heart. So get used to saying the pattern to yourself. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. Voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. So once you have the verb ir, to go, and you have the conjugation voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van, all you need to do is add the word a, and then the infinitive, which is a verb that ends in ia, aya, or aya, to create the future tense. Obviously, we only need one of the verb ir, depending on the person that we're using to speak about. For example, if I wanted to say, I am going to eat, I would need to say, voy a comer. If I wanted to say, we are going to eat, I would use vamos a comer. If I wanted to say, they are going to speak, it would be van a hablar. So here's some examples for you. I am going to visit, so the I am going is the voy, then you have to have a, and then to visit, the infinitive is visitar. You are going to study, the you are going bit is vas, then you have to have a, and then it's followed by an infinitive estudiar, and you can see the ar on the end. We are going to play, vamos a jugar, so the we are going is the vamos, followed by a, followed by the infinitive jugar, and the last one here, they are going to have, so they are going is van, plus your a, plus your infinitive tener, which is an example of an er verb for you. So just before you finish up, have a look at the following and see if you can figure out yourself how to say these 5 phrases in Spanish. Pause the video here whilst you write your answers, and when you're ready you can check your answers. So the answers here, number 1, I am going to read, so I am going is voy, and you have to have a, and the verb to read is leer. Number 2, he is going to listen, so he is going, va, followed by a, and then to listen is escuchar. You need to make sure you know vocabulary and different infinitives here. You are going to watch. Obviously there are 2 different yous in Spanish, so the s in brackets tells us it's you singular. You are going to watch. You singular is vas. You have to have a next, and then to watch, mirar. Or you could use the verb ver, but that's more to see. They are going to play, so they are going is van. Must have an a next, and to play is jugar. And the last one, we are going to speak, we are going is vamos, followed by a, and you must have an infinitive next, to speak is hablar. So how many of those did you get right?